Okay, so what I need you to do is look at this stuff. And if you have one, for example, if you have one laptop unused, add a tick to the card and write your name on it. If you have two, add two ticks. And they are going to calculate how much amount of resources you've wasted. So, this is how much you wasted because you left them unused. And there's gold and silver and platinum contained in almost every electronic device.
It's a big value.
Yeah. So, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Do you think unused stuff is killing the world?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why?
Because it's not only a waste of money, but also the waste of resources.
Yeah, true. So before this test, do you know that electronic devices contain valuable rare metals?
No, I haven't thought of this question.
Okay. So what are going to do? What are going to deal with your unused stuff after this test?
For something like the laptop and the PS4, maybe I will sell them on Gumtree. And for others which cannot be sold on them, maybe I will donate them to people in need.
Ah, that's good. Thank you very much.
No worries.